Hello and welcome to Okie Built Autos. I've got the tore up rebuilt transmission sitting in front of me here. I've already installed the lower piston for the low reverse. Basically, you've got 3 different seals that you have to replace on it. These 3 here. They should come in your kit. You'll also need a pair of snap ring pliers, and you'll need this tool here, part number 151 off of Amazon. You got 2 different types or 2 different tools like that, the 150 and the 151. The spring compressor that I have on my bench replaces the 150. I've already got my bearing set on my new ring gear. Set that in place. Give it a good spin. Brand new 4-piston rear planetary gear. Drop that in place. Give it a good spin. The set that I bought here also came with a brand new sun gear, which is a bonus. That just means that the other one here, which is the old one, that came out of this transmission specifically. Actually, now that it's all cleaned up and I'm starting to inspect it, I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but there's pitting right here. So this gear is actually bad. It's a good thing I didn't replace the bushing on this one yet. So this is actually garbage. I wouldn't have caught that until after I got it cleaned up. And it's actually on more than one tooth. So it's a good thing that I got a new one. Better inspect the new one too. Just because you never know. I'm not seeing any kind of pitting. We're good. Alright, so let's get into this. You got your low reverse steels here. You got 5 of them here. Always remember that the tang here goes towards the servo. You cannot put this in any direction, so if you flip it over this way, it will not fit. If you try to put it in any other orientation other than this, it will not fit. So that'll go in first. Then you're going to drop in a steel next. I have not grabbed my new clutches yet and soaked them. I'm actually going to do that right now. I have the clutches here. I just haven't soaked them yet. I've also got new bonded pistons. I have a new reverse drum as well. Alright, now we grab our low reverse clutches. Actually set this off to the side, hang it off of that. And you should be my low reverse clutches right here. The biggest ones here should be your low reverse. You can go with Alto brand, or you can go with this brand here, which is Raybestos. The Alto is better quality, more OEM style. But if you can't get a hold of the Alto, Raybestos is also a good choice. And of course, as I'm making this video, I'm getting phone calls. Life of a YouTuber, right? You're just going to alternate between your steels and your clutches, or your frictions, whichever one you want to call it. When you're done stacking this, you should have a clutch on top. Just like that. Come on, drop into place. I'm thinking about grabbing another camera as well. Or maybe I should go with a wireless microphone set. Haven't decided. Come on, drop in. Alright, this one's going to be a pain in my rear. Does not want to line up. There it goes. Just need a little friendly persuasion, that's all. Alright, what's next is your anti-clump spring, also known as the case silencer. Go through my parts over here that I got set off to the side. There it is. I like to put some assembly lube on the flat part here to help hold it against the case. This part here goes this way towards your servo. It's all the way in the bottom here. Next up is your lower roller. This part here needs to index towards this part of the case. Drop it in, just like so. Come on. There it goes. Push all the way down. Got the center here to actually engage without having to rotate it. Grab your snap ring. Now you only want about this much hanging over your case silencer. Otherwise your snap ring here can come out. Come on, drop into place. Oh, moved over too far. Right there, that should be about right. Nope, that's too far. Come on. Right about there should do it. It's almost perfect, but not to my liking. So I'm going to move the snap ring using my snap ring pliers. I'm basically just going to apply pressure to the side of the case and try to move it on over. There we go. Maybe a little bit further. Now we're perfect. Next up is going to be your sun gear. Drop it down with the horizontal serrations going down. Give it a spin. On top of that goes your 4-tab plastic washer. And that's going to conclude this video. I will see y'all on the next one whenever I prepare all my parts for the next video. If y'all liked what y'all seen, please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.